Having successfully navigated the last 2 years of uncertainty and forced change, retailers are now bracing themselves for the challenge of rising costs within the supply chain at a time when the consumer spending power is being hit by a recession. Our latest report explores 3 digital transformation strategies being deployed by retailers to reduce costs and improve efficiencies within their business operations. As consumers seek better value and convenience online, fast home delivery is the latest differentiator. As a result, the weakness of legacy EDI batch process has been thrown into sharp focus. The traditional overnight batch stock replenishment process for bricks and mortar stores is no longer capable of fulfilling these higher cadence requirements. Switching from batch EDI to real-time stock reporting and replenishment is now an essential step if retailers want to retain their share of the market. We outline a good starting point for any business wanting to upgrade its EDI performance and reduce costs in the process. We talk to businesses every week about customer service teams who have become responsible for data entry. Instead of engaging the supplier or buyer in delivering customer value, their time is spent keying order or stock data from one system to another. In fact, we found that it was taking a customer service team 2 days a week to manually process incoming orders from a single direct-to-consumer channel. This is not a good use of time and also introduces errors into the process. The customer service department budget can be repurposed to remove manual processes. This can be achieved by connecting more suppliers to EDI and converting PDF orders into data files that can be imported directly into an ERP or other in-house application. Our report highlights the savings possible from enabling EDI within the customer service team. Governments across Europe and further afield are introducing mandates that require businesses to submit digital invoices via local tax authorities. For example, France has announced plans to implement an eInvoice mandate in 2023. With potential changes on the horizon, now is the time to consider automating the accounts payable and accounts receivable functions. Beyond the mandated requirements, other benefits of automation include a 40% cost reduction through the removal of manual process, elimination of errors through the removal of manual keying, and the ability to take advantage of invoice discounting. We dive into this further in our latest report. To download your copy of our report, visit the Knowledge Hub at transalis.com.